What's up guys, this is Yo and thanks for checking out the channel today. This is actually our first video, so if it feels kind of weird or awkward, just please bear with us. But for today's video, I actually wanted to explore this style of workwear, and if you follow people like Keller and his brand Bare Knuckles, or Ray or Owen Hyatt, you know that these guys are just known for their style of workwear. It's definitely taking me out of my comfort zone because it's definitely something that I'm not used to. It's a little bit baggier than I'm used to, especially for my body type, you know, trying to find the right pieces that don't make me look too short or too big. It just takes a little bit of searching. So today I just wanted to show you 3 different outfits that hopefully kind of embody or show this style accurately, and hopefully it gives you a little bit of inspiration if you're trying to, you know, find your way through workwear and trying to find your inspirations. Hopefully you like them, and if you think I can do anything differently, you know, let me know down in the comments. Like, subscribe. I'm hoping to post every Saturday, so just hopefully you guys stay connected, and yeah, let's just get into the outfits. For this first outfit, I'm wearing this vintage black t-shirt that I thrifted. There's actually a print on the inside, but I typically wear it inside out. For the jeans, I'm actually wearing these H&M women's jeans. I try not to shop at fast fashion places anymore, but when I did go to H&M a lot, I found that women's jeans actually fit me better because I'm actually not that tall. For the shoes, I'm wearing these Doc Marten studded Willis creepers, and then I just added a bag for an accessory, and then I'm also wearing a beanie on top. For the second outfit, I'm wearing a Nike sweatshirt that I thrifted and cropped, and then under that I'm wearing the same t-shirt I wore in the previous outfit. And I recently got these Dickies 874s, which I really love. I actually got them with a 30 inseam, and I'm actually not that tall like I said before, so I chopped 4 inches off just to sit right on top of my shoes, and my shoes are actually just some white old school Vans. So for this last outfit, I'm actually putting on this just simple black Champion reverse weave hoodie, and then under it I'm wearing the same black t-shirt that I was wearing in the previous outfits. And then I recently also just got these vintage Dickies Carpenter work pants. They were also a 30 inseam, so I chopped 4 inches off as well just to sit on top of my shoes. And for my shoes, I'm just rocking some Air Jordan 1 Bloodlines that were actually just customized to look like Chicago's. They do have a darker red paint on them though. And yeah, those are all the outfits. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said before, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.